Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. Well, day 2 of the J3A Senior Track and Field Championships is well and truly underway at the National Stadium. Our reporter, Kian Rayner, is at trackside where he joins us now for a live update.
Thank you very much, Patrick. I can tell you that wet conditions here at the National Stadium, but it is very steamy competition that we've been having. And of course, we'll give you some of the highlights, starting with the women's 100 meters, where of course we saw Elaine Thompson running 10.99 seconds to win. And there was also some controversy in the first semi-finals. Take a look.
In second place,
sent away cleanly, no issues this time around. Christania Williams, like she always does, gets a bullet start, but look for Elaine Thompson to get back to her, and now she does, eases down, and she wins it. The easiest 11 seconds flat you will see. Christania Williams got a brilliant start, but Elaine Thompson, colourful as ever, she won that one quite easily. Went away cleanly the second time around, and running pretty well is Simone Facey, also Jura Levy in lane 3, so it's Levy and Facey on the outside. Morrison is finishing fast, and it's Levy and Facey coming through very, very closely. Morrison finished quickly as well. That was a tight one, blanket finish. The experience of Noveline Williams-Mills comes to the fore. So Noveline Williams-Mills straightens up ahead, and she will take them home. It's all Noveline Williams-Mills here. She's pumping all the way to the line. James on the outside. Chambers, sorry, trying to get back. But it's Noveline Williams-Mills who will get it, and Verone Chambers, it is who comes across the line second. And less than 200 meters now to run, and Sharika Jackson is clearly a woman on a mission. It's the world and Olympic bronze medalist over 400 meters. Sharika Jackson decimating this field so far. Less than 100 meters now to run. It's just the heats, but Sharika Jackson is really putting in a solid performance. Anisha McLaughlin is trying to follow, but Sharika Jackson will win this one quite comfortably, and 51 seconds flat. The flash time on the clock downstairs, it's 51.11. Day won't give up the lead that easily, and it's Day who straightens up in front. McPherson looks like she's quite happy to settle into second position, and it's Christine Day who is striding away with this one. So Christine Day opening up a gap now, and she's going to win this one easily, ahead of Stephanie Ann McPherson of MVP. But Stephen Gale has the measure of this field, and he's running a very tight curve now into the home stretch, and Stephen Gale is looking quite comfortably. Ivan Henry trails him, is going to finish second, and Demar Murray is going to be in third. So Stephen Gale wins it, easing down at the line, ahead of Ivan Henry and Demar Murray. That's Peter Matthews who is coming forward now. So it's Peter Matthews and Rasheen McDonald. McDonald running out of steam just a touch, but Matthews on the outside, he's going to come through easily for second. 46.01 seconds for Rasheen McDonald.
All right.
Ryan Lawrence running unattached is still in the picture, but it's Demish Gay who straightens up ahead. Fitzroy Dunkley on the outside tries to get back at him, but Demish Gay is looking very, very relaxed, and Demish Gay is going to come through to win this one. Fitzroy Dunkley second, Ryan Lawrence finishes in third, and I believe Devon Baker came through on the outside for that fourth spot pretty quickly. So too Colin King, both of GC Foster College, and Allen lagging behind just a touch, but he begins to motor just now as they have about 110 meters to run, and it's Colin King on the outside, Marzel Miller and Nathan Allen. Now Allen comes to the fore. Nice high knees from Nathan Allen, very, very, very relaxed. Easy does it for him. He's just bouncing through the line right now is Nathan Allen. He eases down to 46.0.
Thank you, guys. Of course, you may not have seen it on screen, but Joniel Smith in the first semi-final of the women's 100 meters, she was disqualified. Of course, the crowd did not like it. Neither did Joniel Smith. Of course, she protested, but inevitably, the starters decided that she actually false started. To the naked eye, it didn't look as though she was a person that false started. A bit of news coming out from earlier. Akeem Bloomfield, the 400 meters runner, a personal best 44.7 this year on the NCAA circuit. He did not make progress, and he told me after the race that his right hamstring was giving some problems, so quite disappointed he was. As we speak right now, the 800 meters are on track. So for now, we throw it back to the studios to Patrick Anderson. Reporting from the National Stadium, I'm Keon Rayner.